If you've seen photos of the Algarve online, chances are they were taken right here in Lagos. Today, we've driven almost an hour west from Albufeira to visit Ponta da Piedade, the coastline that defines this region, and to see whether Lagos really offers something different from the busier towns. Golden rock stacks, turquoise water, dramatic cliffs, it almost looks too perfect. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. We left Albufeira at 10:30 this morning under surprisingly calm skies. No rain, just heavy cloud, and that feeling in the air that something was building. By the time we reached Ponta da Piedade, the mood had completely changed. The sea was alive. Huge waves were rolling in, crashing against the golden limestone stacks, sending spray high into the air. The turquoise water we'd seen earlier in the week had turned deep Atlantic blue, powerful, restless, dramatic. And honestly, it made the place feel even more impressive. There's something about seeing the Algarve slightly wild that changes your perspective. It's not just pretty cliffs and postcard beaches. It's a real coastline, shaped by wind and water. The wind was strong enough to lean into, but visibly was excellent. No rain, just movement everywhere. Boats were staying cautious. The sound of the waves dominated everything. From the cliff tops, the scale is extraordinary. You realize how small you are compared to the Atlantic. Later, walking into Lagos Old Town, the contrast was noticeable. The narrow streets offered shelter from the wind, cafes were open, and the atmosphere felt calmer, more refined than Albufeira, quieter, slightly more polished. But out on the cliffs, Lagos was dramatic. Stormy March waves gave us a completely different version of the Algarve, and in many ways, a more memorable one.